Hello beautiful souls. Today I want to share with you a body practice inspired from the Tao and traditional Chinese medicine to help you let go of the weight of this year, the challenges and the heavy experiences that you've been through. And this practice also helps bring courage and empowerment into the body and into your life. This is a practice that supported me through breakup, grief, sadness, and those moments of despair when it was hard for me to find resilience and courage and strength to move forward in my life. So it's a very powerful practice to clear heaviness and to bring love, resilience, and courage back into the body. So this practice is connected to the lungs and the heart. And so when the lungs are in imbalance, breathing becomes tight, right? And so we can hold onto our breath without even realizing it. And so when this happens, the body does not receive enough oxygen, which signals to the nervous system, something is wrong, I'm not feeling safe here. And so when sadness, grief, nostalgia, longing are not processed in the lungs, they begin to stagnate here. And so this stagnation presses against the heart, and so the heart is going to contract to protect itself. And so when the lungs are balanced, they bring courage and protection and resilience and emotional clarity. They also bring the power to implement healthy boundaries and set a deep sense of acceptance and trust in life. The lungs are also connected to the Wei Qi field, which is the body protective energy field. You can think of it as your energetic immune system. It really helps protect the body from external invasion, like the cold or emotional stress, for example. And it helps us feel safe in the body. So I'm going to invite you to close your eyes. We are going to do some grounding first, and then we'll move forward with the practice. So close your eyes and take a deep breath in and out. Feel your body relax. Feel your head relaxing. Feel your shoulders relaxing. Your back, your hips, your legs, your whole body is becoming more and more relaxed. Gonna take another deep breath in. Hold it for a few seconds. And exhale. So I'm going to invite you to put your attention at the base of your spine, and you can see, feel, or imagine roots growing at the base of your spine and moving down to the earth until reaching the center of the earth. See those solid roots moving down and reaching the center of the earth. And here you can see, feel, or imagine the heartbeat of the earth. Sense this rhythm, this heartbeat growing stronger and stronger and moving into your roots to reach your own heartbeats. See, feel, or imagine the heart of the earth synchronizing with your heart. They are pulsing together. You are now connected to the earth and you feel grounded, supported, and deeply connected. I'm going to take another deep breath in and exhale out. Shake it out a little bit. And now I'm going to invite you to rub your hands and feel the energy in between your hands. Feel the energy in between your hands. And we are going to put our hands here, just on our lungs, right? And now we are going to close our eyes again and scan for any traces, any emotions of sadness, grief, heaviness, emotional fatigue. So you can, with your eyes mind, going left to right and just scan through your lungs. Allow the images, the memories, the words, the feelings to come through. Welcome everything with compassion, with grace, with love, without judgment. If your lungs could speak right now, what would they tell you? Whenever you feel ready, we are going to take a deep inhale and we are going to exhale, putting our hands up to the sky and exhaling with a sound like a snake, right? So we're going to do it together. So hands here over the lungs. We're going to inhale and exhale with the sound . And while exhaling, you can imagine all the gray smoke emotions that comes from your lungs and that are being, exhaled into the air. Okay? So we are going to do this again. So once again, we are going to go scan for any sadness, any emotions that wants to be felt. Scan into the lungs. Is there anything left? And we are going to release this heaviness and put our hands, palm facing up to the sky, and exhale. And our arms on the side, going back down. How does it feel? A little bit more light, right? And so now we are going to put our hands in two little cups like this. Here, because we are about to receive a very powerful, empowering frequency. So you can imagine that you have two little cups on both your sides, okay, like this. And here I'm going to invite you to remember a time in your life where you felt empowered with a lot of courage. You felt powerful. You felt like everything was possible in your life. So I'm going to invite you to think about this moment and remember this moment as if you are there right now. And when you have this moment, I want you to tune into it and feel this moment and embody this moment of empowerment and courage. And I want you to imagine this frequency of empowerment coming into both your hands. And this frequency has a very white, light, crystalline color. So imagine this frequency of empowerment and courage going into those two little cups in your hands. Feel this frequency, feel this white light, feel this powerful light coming into your hands. Whenever you're ready, we are going to infuse our lungs with this powerful, very empowering white light, right? And we are going to massage our lungs with this light, right? So very gently and slowly, we are going to bring this light to the lungs here, right here, right? And we are going to infuse our lungs with this light. Feel the empowerment. Feel the love. Feel the courage entering your lungs. You can massage your lungs a little bit. Feels good, right? Feels powerful. And feel your whole body becoming powerful and courageous and resilient. You are unstoppable. Whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes, take a deep breath in together and out. Shake it out. And this is the end of our practice. Remember that you can come back to this practice anytime you need. You have the power, the strength, the courage within you to build the life that your heart and your soul wants. I also want to let you know that somatic and embodiment practices are at the core of my teachings, as I truly believe that the body is like a sacred portal. It holds the wisdom, the memories, and the intuitive gifts, the codes that we all carry. And so if you feel called to receive more nourishing practices that will make you feel trust, safe, loved, and nourished, and that will help you build your life force energy, chi, you can subscribe to my newsletter through the link in the description below. And I send a monthly ritual or practice designed to empower you on your soul path. I send you a lot of love, a lot of courage, and a lot of empowerment.